So this is the controller for the Phoenix Exquisite Craftsmanship e-bike. So this is a controller, it's in Chinese, it's 3-phase, 36 volts, 31 plus minus 0.5, 13.1 amps, 1 to 4.2. I don't know what that means, and I don't know what other text means. This is 120 degrees. I think it's for the encoders or the hall sensors of the motor. This is the model number. I'm not quite sure if you could read it. So these are the cables. I just separated these. This is from the motor, I'm sure, because it has 3-phase power outputs, the green, yellow, and blue. We got encoders, hall sensors, red, black, yellow, green, and blue. These are connected here. I'm not sure about the others. This is disconnected. Color is red, white, and black. This one's connected. This is the yellow, red, and black. Going to the controller side. This one's disconnected. I don't know. This one is a brown one. Another one is disconnected from the controller. This is the blue and black. And it also has disconnected part here. I believe it's from the bike. So we got this mess right here. I don't know what that means. So let's search how this works. Okay, that's it. Yeah, it's glued. It's a bit hot a while ago when I went here because it's going up. Yeah, this is the power. Two black wires, one red. Green, yellow, and black is connected to red and blue. Yellow, green, and black is connected to red and blue again. I think this is for the brake sensors, or I don't know, the pedal sensors. Here is white, red, and red going to pink and red towards I don't know where, but it apparently is. Well, another here connected is red, pink, going to green, yellow. Here, green, white, red, and black going to white, red, and black respectively. Blue, red going to yellow and red respectively. Here, I don't know what's happening here. Connector from green and blue from the bike going to red and white. White is here going to, again, those are going toward the bike, brown, blue, and black. And this one's tied up. I don't know what that means. So that's it.